Okay. Okay. In this way, we will find the equation of the plane. It is ax plus by plus 3z plus k. K is some constant which is the sum of minus ax1 minus by1 minus cz1. For them, I wrote k because a will be the number, x1 will be the number, b will be the number, y1 will be the number, c will be the number, z1 will be the number. So, but x, y, and z, they will not be the number. They are arbitrary constant. So they will remain as it is x, y, z. But x1, y1, z1, and a, b, c, they are the numbers. So this will be the equation. We will use this formula. First we will find px. X will be x, y, z. P will be the given point. P will be the given point. X will be the x, y, z. And V will be the vector. So first we find px, then we take the dot product of both vector and equal to 0. This is the equation. We must put this equation to find the equation of the plane. Don't write only px dot p. Unless it is not equal to 0, this will not be the equation. Unless it is not equal to 0, this is not the equation. You are finding the equation of the plane, so you have to take px dot v equal to 0. Remember, you have to put equal to 0. Px dot v equal to 0. Take the dot product of p, x and v and equal to 0, and then simplify this one. You will get the vector. You will get the equation of the plane ax plus by plus cz and plus k equal to 0. So now we will do the exercise. Exercise 12.5, plane. Find the equation of the plane in exercises 21 to 26. So from question 21 to 26, we will find the equation of the plane. Point P naught is given 0, 2, minus 1. For P, the point P naught is given. For P, point P naught is given. In this question, we wrote, in this we will mark P, x1, y1, z1. Here is the P naught. P naught is x1, y1, z1. This is question number 21. Find the equation of the plane. Question number 21. Find the equation of the plane which is passing through the point P naught 0, comma 2, comma minus 1 and perpendicular to the vector 3i minus 2j minus k. N means the normal vector. Normal means the vector which is perpendicular to the plane. So first of all, we will take a point x. So P naught x, we will find P naught x. It will become x minus 0 I plus y minus 2j plus z plus 1 k. It is P naught x is equal to xi plus y minus 2j plus z plus 1 k. And this is the vector n. We will take the dot product P naught x dot n or n dot P naught x, anything. N dot P naught x vector equal to 0. Must write equal to 0. So n is 3i minus 2j minus k dot P naught x xi plus y minus 2j plus z plus 1k equal to 0. Mustafa Nuran. 64177. Okay. Take their dot product 3 into x, 3x minus 2 into y minus 2 minus 1 into z plus 1 equal to 0. It will become 3x minus 2y plus 4 minus z minus 1 equal to 0. Further simplify, 3x minus 2y minus z plus 4 minus 1 will be 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of the given plane 3x minus 2y minus z equal to 0, minus z plus 3 equal to 0. 3x minus 2y minus z plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane. When the one point and the normal vector are given, when the one point P naught 0, 2, comma minus 1 and the normal vector 3i minus 2j minus k are given. So we will find, first of all, we will find P naught x. That will be x minus 0, I plus y minus 2j plus z plus 1k. And v is given, we will take the dot product of P naught n dot P naught x or P naught x dot n. The dot product is commutative. You may write first any vector, this one, or you may write P naught x first. So n dot P naught x. N is 3i minus 2j minus k. P naught x is xi plus y minus 2j plus z plus 1k. Take the dot product. So in dot product, i's are multiplied with i's component, j are multiplied with j component, k are multiplied with k component only. So 3 into x, 3x minus 2 into y minus 2 minus 1 into z plus 1. Open it, 3x minus 2y plus 4 minus z minus 1 equal to 0. So 3x minus 2y minus z and plus 3 equal to 0. This is the answer. So all the questions, question number 21, question number 22, you have to do by the same method. One I have done, question number 21 I have done. Sorry, question number 2. The plane through 1, -1 and 3 parallel to the plane. Now this is parallel to the plane. Here only the point is given and the parallel to the plane is given. So first we will find the vector from this plane. Question number 22, the plane through the point and parallel to the plane. Question number 22. If you do not understand anything, you must raise your hand. I will unmute you and ask the question. Ask your query. What is the query? You must raise your hand. Then I will unmute you and I will ask. Question number 22. Find the equation of the plane. Find the equation of the plane which is passing through the point 1, -1, 3. This is P naught. It is not written over there, but this is P naught. Passing through the point, so that is P naught. And parallel to the plane. And parallel to the plane. And parallel to the plane, 3x plus y plus z equal to 7. First of all, we'll find the vector Px, P naught x. We'll find the vector P naught x. So P naught x will be equal to x minus 1I plus y plus 1j and z minus 3k. This is the vector P naught x. Here I am writing plus z minus 3k. This is vector P naught x. Hamza Khalid. Now we will find the vector n, which is perpendicular to the plane. Because the plane is parallel to this one, so we'll find the vector, this one, normal vector of this one, that will be the normal to the plane. So n will be equal to pi plus j, 1j and plus 1k. This will be the normal vector. We will take the coefficient of x and write with I, coefficient of y, write with j, coefficient of z, write with k. This will be the normal vector. Now we'll take again the dot product of px dot n or n dot px equal to 0. So equation of the plane So from plane, how to find the vector? Take the coefficient of x, take the coefficient of y, j, take the coefficient of z, that is k, with k. This is coefficient of x 3, so it will be 3i. Coefficient of y is 1, 1 into j plus 1j. Coefficient of z is 1, 1k. This is the normal vector n. And I also told you if the equation of the line is given, how to find the parallel vector. So the coefficient of t will be written with I, and the coefficient of t with y equal to, will write j, and the coefficient of t in z component will be equal to k. Oh, now find the equation. Equation of plane will be equal to n dot p naught x equal to 0. N is equal to 3i plus j plus k dot, this is x minus 1i plus y plus 1j plus z minus 1, z minus 3k equal to 0. Take the dot product, 3x minus 3i, 3x minus 3, 1, y plus 1, so one more step I will do. 3 into x minus I, 3 into x minus 1 plus 1 into y plus 1 plus 1 into z minus 3 equal to 0. 3x minus 3 plus y plus 1 plus z minus 3 equal to 0. Simplify, it will become 3x plus y plus z minus 5 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the plane. This is the required equation of the plane. 3x plus y plus z minus 5 equal to 0. The plane through the 3 points. When the 3 points are given, how to find the plane? The 3 points on the plane are given. When the 3 points on this plane are given, here there are the 3 points. This is the plane. Board is a plane. There is one point A, there is the other point B, there may be the third point C. So we will take A, any point of them, we will take the vector AB and vector AC. When the 3 points are given, A, B and C on the plane, so we'll find the vector AB, we will find the vector AC, we'll find the vector AB, we will find the vector AC, and we'll take the cross product of both the vectors. When we take the cross product of both the vectors, we will find a vector which is perpendicular to these two vectors. In the cross product, the product always be perpendicular to both the vectors. So when we take AB and AC, the two vectors, and we take the cross product, so AB cross AC will be a vector which is perpendicular to the, according to the right hand rule, AB to AC, we will get the vector A, the perpendicular to both the vectors, plane to both the vectors. So that will be the normal vector n. So in this way we will find the normal vector n, and then we have to find the P naught. A will be considered as P naught. A will be considered as P naught, and we already found. We will find P naught x, and then we take the cross product. Okay, we are doing the question number 23. This is the in this question the 3 points 1 comma 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma 0 comma 2, 0 comma minus 2 comma 1. These 3 points are given on the plane. We have to find the equation of the plane. This is the second case. First case we learned when the 1 point and the normal vector are given. Second case we learned when 1 point and the plane is given whose parallel we have to find the equation of the plane. Passing through the point and parallel to the given plane. This is the third case when all the 3 points are given. When all the 3 points are given. So we'll name that these 3 points. I am giving the name A, B, and C. And from A, I will find vector AB and vector AC. Vector AB. Two minus one I plus 0 minus 1 J plus 2 minus minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 K. So vector AB will become I minus J plus 3K. In the same way, we will find vector AC. AC, A and C. 0 minus 1 I plus minus 2 minus 1 J plus 1 minus minus 1 plus 1 K. It will become minus I minus 3J plus 2K. These are the two vectors AB and AC on the plane. These are the two vectors AB and AC on the plane. So we will take the cross product when these two vectors are there, AB and AC. A is the same point, AC. So the cross product AB to AC will be a vector perpendicular to the plane. These 2 points, these 3 points are on the plane A, B, and C. So found the vector AB, found the vector AC, and AB cross AC will be a vector perpendicular to the plane. Simultaneously, we took the dot product. I am telling you, all the students, you must raise your hand so that I can see your hand. I will unmute you and ask the question. And I don't know why you people are not raising your hand. You are just sending the messages in chat. Okay. So we will take the cross product. AB cross AC, that will be the vector n perpendicular to the plane. So AB cross AC. Vector n, the normal vector will be equal to AB cross AC. We'll take the cross product IJK. I vector AB, the first one AB. So first we write AB. So 1 minus 1, 3. And the vector AC, minus 1, minus 3, 2. Now we will take the cross product. First we take I. So this column and this row will be left. I we are taking, so I row and I column will be left. Minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 3 will be minus 9. Minus minus plus 9. This is I. Minus the second column J. So this column and this row will be left. So 1 into 2 will be 2. Minus 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3. Minus minus plus 3. This is J. This is J. Okay. Plus, now we'll take K. This column and this row will be left. 1 into minus 3 will be minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1. Plus into minus will be minus. This is K. So N will become 7I minus 5J minus 4K. This is N. This is the vector N. So A is common. So we will find the vector PA. We will find the vector AP, sorry. We will find the vector AP. The common point we will take, and X will be taken as XYZ. So AX, we will find the vector AX. AX will be equal to X minus 1 I plus Y minus 1 J plus Z minus 1. It will become plus 1 K. We found the vector AX. A, which is the common point between AB and AC vector, that will be taken. You may take any one, but it is better to take A. And X will be taken, the point X will be taken XYZ. And we'll find the vector AX. Now we will find the equation of plane. How to find? N dot AX equal to 0. N dot AX equal to 0. N is equal to this one, 7I minus 5J plus 4K minus 5J minus 4K dot AX, X minus 1 I plus y minus 1j plus z plus 1k, bracket close, equal to 0. Equal to 0. Take the dot product. 7 into x minus 1 minus 5 into y minus 1 minus 4 into z plus 1 equal to 0. Further simplify. Becomes 7x minus 7 minus 5y plus 5 minus 4z minus 4z minus 4 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Further simplify this one. It will become 7x minus 5y minus 4z minus 7 plus 5 will be minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 4 will be minus 6 equal to 0. Seven x minus 5y minus 4z. 7x minus 5y minus 4z and minus 7 plus 5 will be minus 2. Minus 2 and minus 4 will be minus 6. So minus 6 equal to 0. This is the answer. This is the equation of the plane. 7x minus 5y minus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the required equation of the plane when all the 3 points are given. This is the case when the 3 points are given. So from this 3 points we will mark one point as the initial point, and from that point we will find the two vectors A, B and AC. A we found the initial point and B and C are the terminal point. We just suppose you may take any one the initial point and the two the terminal point. So we found vector AB and vector AC. Then we took the cross product AB and AC to find the normal vector. Because when we are taking a cross product of two vectors, the answer will be the normal to both the vectors. This is the property of the cross product. So AB cross AC, we found the answer is the normal vector, that is 7i minus 5j minus 4k. Now we'll find the vector P naught x. X is always taken x, y, z, and A is the common point between both the vectors. So that will become A is 1, 1, minus 1, so x minus 1, I, y minus 1, j, and z plus 1, k. This is the Ax vector. Now we took the dot product of both the vectors, n dot Ax equal to 0. N dot Ax equal to 0. So n is 7i minus 5j minus 4k dot x minus 1i plus y minus 1j plus z plus 1k, and we took equal to 0. We must put equal to 0. We took the dot product. The final answer will become 7x minus 5y minus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane. This is the equation of the required plane. Anything do you want to ask regarding this question? and Hasnain Tariq. Tell the Hasnain Tariq, he must write the ID. He is not writing the ID and just waiting in the waiting room. Anyone must convey the message. He must write the ID. Otherwise, he will not be allowed into the room. Okay. Anything do you want to ask regarding this question? If you have any query, you raise your hand. You must raise your hand if you have any query. I will unmute you. You may ask. Here in the chat, Sayyid Saimul Haq. Sir, last equation repeat कर दें. कौन सी last equation? This is 7x minus 5y minus 4z minus 6 equal to 0. We took the dot product. We took the dot product of n dot ax. Seven x minus 5y minus 4z minus 6. This Dwa Javeria, this is not the equation what you wrote. This is not the equation. In the question you were asked to find the equation of the plane. Is it an equation? 7x minus 5y minus 4z minus 6. Is it an equation? No. This is not an equation. There is no equation sign. There is nothing. Again and again I am telling you, n dot ax equal to 0. You have to use equal to 0. Otherwise it would not be the equation. Then again you are writing without equation. You don't understand?